99.7 DJX. I will say thank you to our listener, Tony, for texting us this. I know it's not during fun time, in quotes, during fun time, meaning sassy time.
As in like right now?
But I know how you all like animal noises, LOL.
Okay.
So Tony understands that our show enjoys animal mating noises.
We've researched it.
Yes, we've researched it
extensively.
For sure. Exactly.
For research purposes.
So anyway, so he sent us a little video of wild animal noises. So I figured I would play some for you, and maybe you just toss out some animals that you think it could be.
We guess. Okay.
All right. You ready?
Yeah,
All right.
okay.
All right. Here we go.
Weird animal noises.
Okay. Oh.
Almost sounds like letting the balloon.
Yeah. Do you want to hear it again?
Yeah.
All right. It does sound like a balloon.
It does, doesn't it? I'll say a koala.
You're going to say a koala.
A koala.
It's a lemur. I'm sorry.
A lemur.
Oh for 1.
Okay.
That's a lemur. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Here's the next one.
Oh,
Doesn't that sound like something from like a Star Wars movie?
It does a little bit. Like a frog. It sounds like a frog.
A frog?
It could
Are you
be
saying
a frog? Yeah.
Okay. You're incorrect. You're 0 for 2. That is a willow ptarmigan.
I've never heard of that.
It's a bird.
Okay.
It's a bird.
All right. I was today years old when I heard that word before.
All right. You ready for this one?
Oh, why not?
All right. Sure. These are weird animal noises that, thanks to our listener, Tony, for just sending them in.
He's doing the research. That sounds like a bird too.
Bird?
Yeah, I feel like that's a bird, like a ostrich.
I'm sorry. That is a pileated gibbon.
Come
AKA
on now, what's a gibbon?
Monkey.
A monkey?
A monkey.
That's a monkey?
That's a monkey.
A gibbon?
Yeah, that's a monkey.
What jungle were they hanging out in to get all of these random animals?
That's actually in the back of a pickup truck. So I don't know.
Back of a pickup truck?
All right. So these are wild animal noises. Here, try to get this one. So far, you're doing terrible.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I will say, I will say this animal looks like an animal that just had its own holiday.
Just had its own holiday?
Yeah.
What animal? Oh, groundhog. Okay, groundhog.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it groundhog?
No. It's a marmot.
A marmot.
Which looks like a groundhog.
Okay.
Looks like
great.
One. So I'm going to give that to you.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate
I'm
gonna go ahead and give that one to you.
Pity point.
Yeah. All right. You're doing terrible still.
Of course
but here we go.
Would you have gotten any of these?
No, absolutely not. But I'm not the one who's quizzing here.
Great.
Now this one you may recognize because we have had an animal mating noise of this animal.
Okay. That's a monkey, right?
No, that's a kookaburra.
Shut up!
And that's the mating call of a kookaburra.
A kookaburra?
Again,
like a
this
monkey.
is all because our listener Tony sent us this
knows
fun
we love
little.
to learn.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, here's another one.
That's all I get of that.
I'll play it again for you.
Okay, that sounds like I feel like there's water nearby.
Yeah, does sound
Instead
like
of
that.
beaver.
Oh, well, you're close in a weird sort of way.
Otter?
It's a bird.
A bird.
But it's the American woodcock.
The American woodcock. I was today years old when I learned about that too. I've heard of a woodpecker.
You want to hear what? Do you want to hear?
Are they cousins?
Do you want to hear the woodcock again?
I do.
It's just a tiny thing.
It's a tiny little thing.
Nah.
Are they related to the woodpecker?
I don't
feel
think
like
so.
They should be.
They don't look like it. No. But yeah, do you want to hear the woodcock again?
I do. Why not? Precious.
It's precious.
Really precious.
All right, how many more do you want?
How many more do you have?
How many
Are we
more?
going through the entire
How many more?
kingdom?
How many more do you want?
Give me another.
All right. Here's another one. Hang on a second. One more little woodcock. Okay. Okay.
Precious.
Here's the next one. Guess the wild animal noise. It is a terrifying shoebill bird, which is it's extremely large bird, and it's got a huge beak, and it looks like it could literally eat you. So it's clacking its beak together. That's what it's doing.
Great.
All right. So
that sounds like nightmare fuel.
all right, you're still doing terrible. All right, this is another one that we've actually had an animal mating noise for.
Okay.
Here we go.
It's like a hippo. No. I don't.
G'day, mate.
Oh, it's a kangaroo.
No, koala.
No,
Koala. It's a
I
koala,
said
mate.
koala earlier.
I know you didn't get
Dang
it this
it.
time. All right. How many more of these do you want?
Crikey.
I think we can be done, right?
Just give me one more.
All right.
Just give me one more.
All right, I'll give
Do
you
you
one.
have a lion roaring or something like
no.
normal that we learned when
All
we
right.
were in school?
All right, here we go. Last one. Oh, wait. Sorry. That was
That's a pig.
That was, no,
That's a
that,
pig.
No, that
No?
was the residual from the koala. He was just winding down. Cheeky thing. All right.
Okay,
All right. Last
give me
one.
an oink
Last
oink
one.
pig or something. A moo cow. I feel like I should know that.
You should.
I should.
Yeah.
Is it a bird?
It is a bird.
It's a bird?
All right. I'll give you that. It's a loon.
A loon?
Very good. Very good.
What's a loon bird? What's happening? What is that?
That's another bird.
That's another bird?
Yeah. That's a
That's a bird?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where do these birds live?
Cassowary.
A cassowary?
Yeah.
I've never heard
All right, so
of
there you
like
go.
95% of what we just heard.
I know. And that's why it's wild animal noises.
I feel like I was set up to fail.
Here on 99.7 DJX.
I was never getting any of those right.
You want to hear the woodcock again?
I feel like you want to play it again. Give me a little turtles, little box turtles,
Hang
little
on.
box turtle love.
All right. Little box
Just
turtles.
a little bit.
All right. There you go. All right. There you are. I don't know why this is a stupid show. Animal noise.